This video will detail the installation of slick locks brackets on a Nissan NV200 series van. We will begin the installation process at the rear left door. Remove the factory striker plate. A portion of the weather stripping will need to be removed in order to install the first bracket. Using the bracket as a guide, mark the gasket above and below with white chalk. Carefully cut away the weather stripping. Do not cut the door gasket as this will remain in place. Using sharp sheet metal snips, cut the reinforcing metal in the door gasket. Install slick locks bracket through the opening in the weather stripping and over the original striker plate using the original bolts. Our installation will continue at the rear right door. Begin by removing the bolts from the van. Place the bracket on the door and secure with the bolts. Install slick lock with spinner and weather cover on the bracket. Next, our installation will continue at the sliding door. Remove the factory striker plate. Place the bracket on the door and fasten the original striker plate over the bracket. Check alignment and make sure the bracket is sitting squarely on the van. If realignment is necessary, loosen the bolts and make adjustments, then retighten. Use masking tape to mark the area of the van's exterior that's covered by the bracket. Remove the striker plate and bracket. Place the paint protector on the door, making sure that your hands and van are clean and dry. Place the bracket on the door and reinstall the striker plate over the bracket. Close the door and check the bracket alignment. Place the second paint protector opposite to the first. Close the door and install your slick lock puck lock with spinner and weather cover. This concludes our installation on a Nissan NV200 series van.